Welcome to one and all present over here. Myself, Ansafarar from grade 6, and today I want to give a lecture on the important topic of biology. First of all, you should know that's what's biology. The biology is derived from two words, bio and logy. Bio means life and logy means study. Is that branch of science that deals with the study of life and living organism. ये वो ब्रांच है बायोलॉजी की जो लाइफ और लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स के साथ डील करती है. The father of biology is Aristotle. Now I want to tell you about body movements. First of all, you should know that what's body and how it is formed. The body is formed from the tiny cells. What is cell? The cell is a structural and functional unit of life. What is cell? Cell is the structure and functional unit of life. The cell organized to form tissue and like muscular tissue, etc. And tissues organized to form organ like heart, lungs, etc. And organs organized to form organ system and organ system organized to form organism. Different organ systems in our body coordinate together to make our body function. Now, I want to tell you about body movement. First of all, you should know that what's movement. Change in position of an object is called movement. What's movement? Change in position of an object is called movement. Many movements take place in our body and in other organisms' body, such as eyelids, movement of eyelids, heart, muscles, etc. Plants also show movement that's called tropism. Plants show movement against or towards a stimulus like light, chemicals, water, etc. Plants also show movement that's called tropism. Now tell me what's tropism. Now I'll tell you about locomotion. When movement results in change of whole organism, that's called locomotion. Now tell me what's locomotion. Here arises a question that why do organisms move? Organisms move from one place to another place in search of food, mate, shelter, etc. Organisms एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव करते हैं ताकि वो शेल्टर, पना, अपनी फूड, शेल्टर, मेट, साथी वो अपनी तलाश कर सके, इसीलिए वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव करते हैं. Now tell me that why do organisms move from one place to another place? Here arises a question that how do organisms move? Organisms move कैसे मूव करते हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह? Organisms move different organ systems like nervous system, muscular system, and the skeletal system coordinate the body movement of the organism. Tell me that how do organisms move? Now I want to tell you about the skeletal system. The skeletal system is made up of 206 bones which provides protection, support and the movement for our bodies. जो हमारा skeletal system है वो 206 bones से बना होता है जो हमारी body को protection, support और इधर उधर movement करने में भी हमारी मदद करता है. How many bones are there in skeletal system? The skeletal system is divided into two parts, the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. The axial skeleton includes the bones of skull, ribs, vertebral column and sternum. The axial skeleton is the central part of the skeletal system. The axial skeleton includes the 22 bones of skull, which protects the brain, 33 bones of vertebral column, which protects the spinal cord, and the 12 pairs of ribs, and 1 bone of sternum, which protects the heart and lungs. In total, there are 80 bones in the axial skeleton. Now tell me that how many bones are in axial skeleton? 80 bones. And now I want to tell you about appendicular skeleton. The appendicular skeleton includes the 120 bones of the limbs. The limbs are the prehensile appendage of an living organisms. There are 2 types of limbs, the upper limbs and the lower limbs. The upper limbs include the bones of upper arm, lower arm, wrist and hand, and the lower limbs include the bones of thigh, lower leg, ankle and foot. And in appendicular skeleton, there are 6 bones of girls. Girls are the bony structure that supports and surrounds the limbs and that joins the limbs to our body. Overall, the skeletal system is a fascinating and complex system that provides protection and support to our body. And that makes blood cells. Thanks. Have a nice day.